Here I am going to show you our famous double cheeseburger. So first we have our homemade patties that come from locally sourced Enright Farms. We salt and pepper both sides. After they're seasoned nicely, take them to the grill, about 3-4 minutes each side. As we're waiting for the burger to cook, I like to drop my fries. So we have our hand-cut fries that we chip ourselves and blanch ourselves. They are Yukon Gold potatoes. Fry them at 350 for about 4 to 5 minutes, or until golden brown. Where we get our meat from Enright, it's honestly the best beef I've ever eaten in Canada. It's delicious. How they take care of their cattle, how they produce their meat, it's fantastic. All right, so it's been about 2 minutes. I'm just gonna take a look. So when I flip my burger, I like to get my bun set up ready. We also make our buns in-house. Take them over to the grill. All right, so we're gonna go our last flip. Wanna go for a nice medium color. Our burger gets 1 slice of bacon, cheese on both sides, and then we sally it for about 2 minutes, just to melt the cheese and warm up the bacon. As I'm waiting for my cheese to melt, this is where I like to set up my bun. Top and bottom both get a swirl of Mary Rose. Our Mary Rose sauce contains ketchup, homemade aioli, smoked paprika, fresh garlic. Gets 2 pieces of pasta bib, 4 pickles, and just the right amount of onion. Now my bun is ready to go. My burger is nice and melted. Bacon is warm. I like to cross the bacon like this so you get a piece of bacon with every bite. For our final touch, a nice side of our homemade chips, and there she is.